Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm back. I'm coming in to give you guys an update. It's been a little chaotic around here. So much going on around this time of the year, the season, in the midst of us trying to do renovations as well and birthday events and, you know, running the household and everything else. But nevertheless, I'm back to give you guys a little small update of the garden, of how everything is going. And while I'm sitting here to give you guys an update, I'm going to go ahead and pop these slips off of this sweet potato and pop them right on in this water, because they are more than ready to be rooted off in some water. So that's what I'm going to do while I'm talking to you guys. Look at this. Look at the beauty of the roots. Gorgeous. Yes. But that's what I'm going to do while I'm talking to you guys and give you guys an update on the garden. Everything is going well. Very well. I actually dug up a good amount of things to give away to family members. And gave away some transplants as well. And right now, the way that my seedlings are doing as far as maturing and taking off, the tomatoes are doing pretty good. The peppers look like they're struggling a little bit, but I think they're gonna do pretty well, especially when I get them into the ground, where they will be permanently. I think they're going to take off, so I'm not too worried about it. Their growth being stunted at this point. But yeah, everything's doing good. I went out and sowed some seeds as well. I got a few seeds off of Briar Creek. I'll show you guys the ones that I got. I got the orange hat tomatoes. And they're like a dwarf tomato, so they won't get very tall at all. So I planted a bunch of those. I'm going to give a bunch away, and I'm going to plant a bunch. They're just like pretty much those little Sweet 100 tomatoes. They're about that size, but they don't grow as tall. So I'm going to do those. And I also got some giant Ford hook Swiss chard. I don't have the package with me right now, but I'm going to show them on the screen. So I don't know if I'm saying them right, but I did get some of those. I sowed some in the top 3-tier raised bed. I put some of those in there. So I'm excited to see what they're going to be like. If you're a spinach lover, then that's what this is, the Swiss chard. It's just another kind of spinach. So I planted those, and then I planted a different type of Swiss chard, and I'm not sure the name, and I'm gonna put it right here, but I remember the stem is red. So I planted those in the brassica bed as well. And I also planted some giant red mustard greens. Yes, and those are propping up very slowly. I went out and checked the other day, and I see the little sprouts popping up, so I'm excited about those. I just dumped them all in one spot, and once they get to a certain height, then I'm going to go back in and thin them out and place them where I want, so they won't be so bunched up together. So yeah, I did that, and they're coming through. The onions are doing fine. I am doing some research on the onions. I'm trying to decide if I want to go through in the ones that I transplanted in the ground, the smaller ones, if I want to go through and chop off the tops where the browns are, because you know I guess that's where they were a little dried out from when I bought them. but I think I want to do that. And I heard that that promotes, like if you cut off a decent amount of the tops of the onions, that promotes the growth in them. So I think I might do that, and I definitely am going to do that for the bigger ones that I have inside my raised bed. They are the stems on them are ginormous, okay? They are flopping over and everything, so I am going to do that, and I'm going to make some onion powder with those as well as with my garlic. I'm going to chop the top off of those, dehydrate, and make some powder with them, some garlic powder. So yes, that is what I'm going to do with those. The collards are doing pretty good. The ones that I transplanted a couple weeks back, they're taking off. They're looking pretty strong and healthy. I did give a few away, and I did plant some more. So my goal is to have enough for when the holidays come around, because I am on the, you know how like when you go to your dinner party or your gatherings, certain people have a certain assignment for what they bring for, like, for good. I'm on the collard committee, so I am planning on growing most of the collards that we have for this upcoming holiday for dinner. So that is the plan of what I'm trying to do with that. Also to have some on backstage to eat, just not for the holidays as well. So yes, it is a slow growing learning process, guys. But oh, also the ranunculus flowers are coming in. Oh my goodness, I've been waiting on this. I didn't think they were gonna ever come in, like but they are slowly coming in, and I'm so excited to watch them open up and bloom, and to be able to, you know, cut them and have them in my house and to give some away. So I didn't plant like a bunch. I just wanted to see how they would do and take off, and if I would like them. But I'm just excited to see, like, you know, see the work that I'm putting in. You know, you're getting something back from it. So you put in, you get back from it, and sometimes that's not, you know, that's not how it always works, and that's not always what you look for in life. When you know, when you give, you don't look to get something back. But when you're doing something food wise, yeah, it's exciting to see the work that I'm putting in. You know, get something back from it. And always food, you get back food, number one. You get back joy and peace, and, you know, all the good things that it brings you, that it brings me, I know of, to it just brings joy to my heart to just see something like that. And just, it does wonders for me and I am so happy about it. And I just want to encourage everyone to go out and sow a seed wherever you see fit to do it. I say do it, okay? Do it. You won't regret it. Just do it, okay? Get a pot, put it indoor, outdoor. Go to Dollar Tree, get 5 quarters, get you a pot, get you some soil, get you some seeds, and watch it grow, and watch the joy and the love and the harvest and abundance that it just brings to your life. I mean, who doesn't want that? Like, that's the best thing ever. So yes, you guys, just go out and do it. I just hope this inspires someone to go out and sow a seed, indoor, outdoor, wherever you see fit to grow in all aspects and ways of your life. I just say do it. Let's get out there and grow and sow your seed, you guys. Bye.